This is the Telemetry Transportation Daily for April 9th, 2026, and I'm Sam Abul-Samad, Vice President of Market Research for Telemetry. As the market for electric vehicles in North America continues to face struggles, two automakers are moving in opposite directions. Kia held its 2026 Investor Day in Seoul, where CEO Ho Sung-song laid out the brand's product plans for the next 5 years. Among those plans are the expansion of its lineup of EVs from 11 to 14 models by 2030. That will include two cars, 9 SUVs, and 3 models from its Platform Beyond Vehicle platform, or PBV. The first PBV model is the midsize PV5 van that went on sale in South Korea last year after being unveiled at the 2024 CES. Last week at the New York Auto Show, Kia showed a proposal for a new taxi based on the PV5, equipped with a Bronability wheelchair system. Kia hopes to launch that vehicle in 2027. Before then, it plans to launch the EV3 compact crossover to the U.S. lineup later this year. Unsurprisingly, just days after Hyundai confirmed its own midsize body-on-frame pickup and showed an SUV concept from the same platform, Kia also announced that it will add a new pickup truck for North America. That vehicle will feature both hybrid and extended-range EV powertrains, which we'll probably see in the Hyundai as well. Kia is targeting 1 million EV sales globally by 2030, including low-cost models like the new EV2 and Ceros. Meanwhile, Volkswagen is the latest to pull back on its EV plans. After debuting the second-generation Atlas SUV in New York, VW acknowledged that it won't even offer a hybrid version until the mid-cycle refresh, which is likely at least 2 to 3 years away. In the meantime, they're prioritizing Atlas production at the Chattanooga, Tennessee assembly plant and ending local production of the ID.4 this month. They expect to have enough ID.4 inventory to last into 2027, and they plan a next-gen ID.4, but no timing has been given or information about where it will be produced. New reports are also indicating that Scout is delaying production of its Traveler SUV by a year until late 2028, with the Terra pickup now pushed back to 2030. Thanks for listening.